What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to go over a couple of new pieces of data that just came out, which are extremely bullish for crypto, indicating that we could see a massive explosion very, very shortly. But before we dive into that, it currently says about 73% of you watching, just a little over 73%, are still not subscribed to the channel. So if you enjoy short form, concise, no BS content that doesn't waste either of our times, well, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Also check out our Patreon group for daily live streams, access to the Discord. Basically, just ask me any questions you want. I'll get back to right away to you. Anyways, right now the entire crypto market is down about 3%, but the interesting thing here is that we are seeing a couple of very important things going on in the market. The first thing, we're going to go over a couple of just bearish things just because we have to first. The first thing is going to be with the overall market trend. If we look at the 6-hour chart over the last about month or so, we have seen a consistent downwards trend. You can see this channel right here, and right now we are trading right in the middle of that, right around that $41,000 to $42,000 per coin range. But while this is happening, we're also seeing the crypto fear and greed index reach record lows. While many people might say this isn't a good sign, this is showing extreme fear, this is actually, in my opinion, quite the opposite. When we're seeing extreme fear, right now it's at 25, when we see extreme fear in the market, that is the exact moment when we normally see a massive breakout. When we look at historically what has happened, the last time we saw this low of a level in the crypto fear and greed index, that was right around July, right before we saw that massive rally from Bitcoin being around $28,000 per coin all the way up to $55,000 per coin. It doubled in a matter of a couple of weeks, and that was the exact same moment right around where we're seeing the crypto fear and greed index right now. Remember, if people are so excited about crypto, well, that's not going to be the best opportunity to get in. It's best to get in when people are very fearful and worried, because that's the opportunity we have right now. That's why we keep saying we're bullish on crypto. We're continuing to add. We're continuing to accumulate more. Now, with regards to a couple of new pieces of data. So, first one is with regards to Bitcoin whales. Bitcoin whales have been continuing to buy more Bitcoin, accumulate during every single dip, every single opportunity they get. And the interesting thing here is that it's not just the, accounts that own a couple hundred Bitcoin. These are the mega whale accounts, the whale accounts with over $10 million really, because we are seeing that total transfer volume of $10 million plus transactions. So these are going to be accounts with well over $10 million. But we're seeing that these are at all-time highs right now. We're seeing even more transactions involving $10 million or more are even higher than they were when Bitcoin was around $60,000 per coin. So this is an extremely bullish sign for crypto. You can see right here, the transactions, total transfer volume keeps staying at an all-time high. We are well above even where we were when Bitcoin's price was around $60,000 per coin. So this is extremely bullish. Whales have been moving a lot of Bitcoin over the last couple of weeks. Second thing going on is that with regards to technical indicators, right now we are seeing very similar charts to what we saw back in 2013 and 2017. According to this chart right here, we can see that Bitcoin is in almost the exact same position in terms of RSI, in terms of the exact patterns with Fibonacci levels. We are near the exact same identical pattern that we saw in 2013 and 2017 before we saw a massive breakout. Last chart right here, you can see it's a pink line. It says red September with shorter body, and then also red September with shorter body. That's what we're seeing right now in terms of candlesticks, technical indicators. And then lastly, one thing that we've gone over quite a few times is with regards to historical data for Bitcoin in terms of the monthly charts. Historically, we've said this, we're going to continue to say this, but September is a red month for crypto. So what we're seeing right now is nothing out of the ordinary. This is actually pretty typical for crypto to see a red September, but we usually have green October, November, and December. So for all of these reasons, I am extremely bullish on crypto. It's not just me. We're seeing whale accounts continue to buy. We're seeing Mike Novogratz, who is also one of the biggest names in the crypto space, saying he believes Bitcoin's still in good shape because it's above $40,000 per coin. We're seeing all the big money players, people who know crypto, realize that we're in great shape right now to see a record-breaking Q4 of 2021 in terms of gains. And I just want to put this video out there so we and everyone else in crypto knows it's not really the time to be worried just yet. This is the time to be accumulating and getting more. But anyways, let me know your thoughts. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video. See you guys.